Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to use coupons on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to whatever item that you would like to purchase. For example, this one. And now I want to go a little bit down until I see a line which is highlighted red. So I tap this arrow and here I can see all discounts and coupons that this seller can offer me. Let's look at the first one. And when using your coupon codes, you have to pay attention to two things. And the first one is validity term. So you can see that this coupon is active until August 27. And after that date, it will be no longer active. And the second thing that you have to pay attention to is minimum purchase amount. So this $70 discount is only applicable for orders more than $469. So that's very important. Basically, all you have to do is press Shop More button, collect this coupon. So this is already selected, or you can just copy this code. Then proceed to checkout page. So press Buy Now button, select here which item you want to order, press Continue. Scroll down until you see section promo codes. This is our coupon section, and here you want to enter this code. But again, you have to meet those two rules. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.